Got it.
Today we will learn about relational operator. Relational operator. This operator is very important. Also, you all know about this operator like greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay. The new operator is for you is double equal to and not equal to. Okay, fine. Uh, okay,
Okay.
so let me write what this is the operator are called. This is greater than, uh, greater or equal, less than, less or equal, not equal. Fine. Now, someone will ask what this operator is. Okay, single equal to. Okay, so probably you will say this is equal to operator. Fine. But in programming, this is not an equal to operator. This is not an equal to operator. Okay. So what does this operator called? This is called assignment operator. Okay.
वो assign करता है उसमें हाँ.
Now, if some operation returns 0. Okay, basically listen, the relational operator are used for conditional statements. So whether a condition is true or false. So if suppose I have written A greater than B. Okay, if this is true, okay, then it return a non-zero value. I hope you are aware with non-zero value. And if we write A greater than Bx, and if it is false, then it returns 0. Okay.
Yeah.
I hope everyone got it.
Yep.
Now see something. How assignment is done. If we write int A, okay, fine. It is called declaration. Okay. If we write int A equals to 5, then it is called initialization. Then it is called initialization. Okay. Here you can see we have used equal operator, I mean assignment operator. So how does the value is assigned in a variable? It is done by an assignment operator, that is equal to operator. If we write this statement, then 5 will store in A. Okay. Then 5 will be stored in A. Okay. Okay. So let us write our first conditional statement program. The question is, write a C program to take maximum between two numbers. Okay. Write a program to check maximum between two numbers. So how will we write this program? First of all, our header file, that is has include stdio.h. Then our main function over here. So we are checking maximum between two numbers. So we have to first take the input two numbers. So for that, we declare two variables, let A and B. Fine. Now we are taking the input. For that, first print a message for the user to enter two numbers. For that, we will use printf enter first number. First number will be assigned to A. For that, we will use %d, as A is an integer value and we will assign this in A. So first number will be stored within A. Now second number, so taking the printing the message, enter second number. Fine. Now we will use scanf as B is an integer. For integer we use %d and then %b. So after this some statements, first number will be stored in A, second number will be stored in B, and now we will check whether the number is greater than or not. For that, we will use if else statement. Okay. For that, we will use if else statement. So for that, first of all, see the syntax. So syntax is here, very simple syntax. That is, if we will write if is a keyword, then we will write condition within a bracket, then a block will be started. This block will be executed when the condition will be true. Okay, true. There might be some statements and we will write else. Else is also a keyword. It will be executed when the condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false.
False.
Fine. Now, in many conditions, in many problems, we take that if condition is true, then some statement will be run. If it is false, then we will forward to the next statement. That is, in that case, there will be no else statement. Okay, so this was syntax 1. Now syntax 2 is here. This is syntax 2. Okay, if no statement will be executed, if the if condition false, then there are no particular statement to be executed for that condition. Okay. So another syntax is nested syntax, nested if else. That is, suppose we are writing if condition, I mean there will be a condition checked here. Okay, so if it is true, then another condition will be checked. If in that case, we can write like this. If this is true, then we will run here. If it is false, similarly. And if this condition goes false, then this statement will be run. Got it? Got it, the symbols?
Yes.
If you having any doubt, please ask me. So here we will use this syntax, that is syntax number 1. So we have to check whether A is greater than or not. Actually, you have already written its flow chart. Am I right? Okay. So what we have done earlier in the flow chart, that is, after this statement, we check a condition. For condition, we have to use if keyword. And what was the condition there? Can anybody tell me? What was the condition there?
If A is greater than B.
If A greater than B, right? This was the condition. So
Yep.
if this is true, then what we have done there?
If
Please
it's
say.
true, then A is maximum, and if it is false, then B is maximum.
Okay. So basically, we were printing here, that is A is maximum. So for printing, what keyword we will use? Please say. What keyword we will use here for printing?
Printer.
Very good. Print A. So there we have written A is maximum. So here we have to put the value of A. Okay. For that, we will use %D, right? Right. In the place of %D, we will print A. And after this is maximum, right? Fine. And what will be the value of % here? A. So this was the syntax, right? Am I right?
Yes.
If this is false, I mean, so what will be printing? What will be print?
B is maximum.
Fine.
Print as
So
B.
listen, is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, we will use return 0. Return 0 indicates that our program has successfully compiled without having any error. Fine. So we have written our program. So we will first save it. We will save it here. Max between two numbers .c, and then we will run it. You can see there is no error in this program. So what is the message? Enter first number.
Enter first numbers.
So I entered 5, then I press enter. Then enter second number. I press 6. Okay, I entered 6. So what is the message? 6 is maximum. 6 is maximum. Got it? Have you got it? Okay, so let's write a program. Basically, you will write a program to check whether two inputted number are same or not. I hope you understand the question. So immediately write it
हम
in
लोग
your
लिखे
copy.
इसका आंसर.
Yes, yes, you all.
Write the C program. Check whether
So we are here to write a program to check whether two inputted number is same or not. So first of all, write the header file. Write the header file we have written. Then our main function here, and then we will copy our previous program code, that is in taking the input. Now what we have to check whether these two numbers are equal or not. Okay, so for that we have equal to operator, sorry, double equal to operator. Okay, that checks equal. Okay, so we will check if A equal to B. Okay, fine. If this is true, then we will simply print both numbers are equal. Okay, and if it is false, then we will write numbers are not equal. Did you understand? Please respond. So now I am running this code. Let's 4 and 5. So numbers are not equal, and again 4 and 4, both numbers are equal. So this program is correct. Okay, fine. Now check some funny examples or interesting examples. These examples will help you throughout the if-else conditions. Fine. Okay.
okay.
So see it very carefully, and write this on your copy. I repeat, write these quotes on your copy.
Okay.
If else examples dot c. Here we will not write any program. We will just take some examples. Okay, that how does a conditional statement work? Fine.
नहीं मिलेगी.
So for that
और सूख जाएगा तब.
I have to run this program. Please mute. Hello. So first of all, header file has include .h, int main. Okay. Now we are declaring a variable x equal. Please write with me. Okay. We have declared a variable x and assign basically initialize the variable as x as 5, and we are checking if x equal to 1. Okay, fine. Now we are printing high. Okay, we are printing high, else we are printing Ronit. Okay, have you write it?
Yes.
So tell me, what does this statement print?
Value of x.
What?
If x is equal to 1, means if 5 is equal to 1, then it will print.
No. Listen. What we have done here, we are initialize x as 5.
Yes.
Okay. See very carefully. This is very important. We are checking if x equal to 1. There is single equal to. Okay. There is single equal to. And print as high. That means if this condition goes true, then then high will be printed. Else, if it is false, then Ronit will be printed. Okay.
Yes.
So listen, what I have told you earlier, single equal to is the assignment operator. Single equal to is the assignment operator. So here x is 5. Okay. And next, if x equals to 1, that means we have used here single equal to operator. That means assignment operator. Then 1 will be assigned to x. So here, what will return if 1? This condition will be if 1. Okay. This condition will be if 1. So I have also told you true means non-zero value. So 1 is non-zero value. 1 is not 0. So basically it is true. So true means this statement will be executed. Okay.
Yes.
And if it is false, okay, then this will be executed. So let me run this code. Listen, see there, high is printed. Okay. And now if I write here x equals to 0, so that will become 0 if 0.
Yes.
Then see what is printed here.
It will
Listen,
print on it.
see
Yes.
there, this is Ronit. Okay, and that means 1 means true. Sorry, 1 means, why 1? Any non-zero value means true. Okay, any non-zero value means true. Write down, note down in your copy. Fine. I hope you have written this code. I am omitting this. Or let me write another code.
Any non-zero number is true.
Yes. Int x equals to 5. Okay. So here the condition, I am changing the condition. Suppose condition is 2 into x plus 6. Okay. Fine. and I am writing here. Okay, so can anybody tell me what will be the output of this code?
It will print high.
Okay, anyone?
इसमें तो x का कोई वैल्यू दे ही नहीं रहा है.
What is here I have done? X equals to 5.
और ये, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So what will be the output?
It will be 16 and non-zero
Ronit होगा.
So one has said hi, another has said Ronit. So now I am telling this will print hi.
Yes,
Okay. Now see how.
because it is
As I have
non-zero number.
told now, very good, very good. Put
बस
x equals
नॉन
to
जीरो
5
होना
here.
चाहिए.
Yes, put x equals to 5 here. That will return a non-zero value. If non-zero value, then it is true. If it is true, then high will be printed. See this. 2 into
अरे इसमें तो
2
स्पेसिफिक
into
कोई x का वैल्यू है ही नहीं. इसमें तो एक कंडीशन थोड़ी ना हो सकता है.
wait
Into
wait
x
a